with that mentality of like, I want to see how I measure up against who I thought was the best, you know, and absorb by even getting beat, you know, absorbing that energy. And then y'all seen after that battle, right? I absorbed that energy and I started getting really good really fast, right? And you guys helped me with that. From battling me, from schooling me. Yeah, I got an awakening and thanks to Asia for providing that opportunity, and that's why I'm here today. I don't really mess with events, you know what I mean? I'm not messing with, this is one of the rare ones that I come out to because I just really, you know, I just, this is so personal to me, you know what I mean? This is who I am, this is how I was raised, and so when I see it being done in another way, I don't know that. You know what I mean? I just know this.
We got one question over here. What is it? You got something? Yeah.